As you open the VigiControl app on your phone, you'll find yourself on the login page. This is a necessary step for individual auditing, especially when one device is shared among multiple guards working different shifts. When arriving at the site, guards simply log in using their personal username and password. If required by the control room, they might also need to take a quick photo for precise identity validation. Once logged in, you'll notice 5 buttons. SOS. In emergencies, guards can activate the panic button, sending crucial information like location details and a variety of multimedia evidence, including videos, text messages, one-touch phone calls, emails, images from the gallery or camera, and audio messages. The control room can promptly respond and notify supervisors or nearby colleagues, according to their response protocols. Route. Let's explore how guards mark their arrivals at each checkpoint. There are 4 methods at your disposal. Firstly, there's the manual method. In open spaces like gated communities, construction sites, or industrial facilities, guards simply press manual to confirm their arrival at a checkpoint. The system will compare the GPS coordinates of the smartphone with the previously loaded coordinates of the checkpoint. If they match, the arrival is automatically sent and processed correctly. For more complex environments, like office buildings or shopping malls with multiple floors, the map's point might not be precise enough. In these cases, we recommend using QR codes or NFC tags for a more accurate identification of the floor. The 4th method involves Bluetooth beacons. These small devices, working like invisible markers, automatically mark arrivals without requiring any manual intervention. All guards need is the VigiControl app with Bluetooth on. As they pass by the beacon, the arrival signal is sent instantly. A live signal. This button, usually in a dormant state, activates at random intervals, serving as a vital check on your guard's well-being. When activated, guards receive a sound warning and vibration. They have a set time, as determined by your control room, to cancel the alert and confirm their status. In scenarios where guards may be distracted, asleep, or in potential distress, if they don't respond within the specified time, an automatic man-down alert is sent to the control room. This ensures a rapid response to any situation that might compromise a guard's safety. News. This button becomes your guard's digital notebook, capturing any noteworthy events during their shift. When an event is triggered, it not only records the location, but also allows guards to add a written note detailing the incident. For more precise location references, guards can read QR codes or scan NFC tags. Besides, they can use their phone's camera to visually capture the situation, enhancing overall situational awareness. Assignments. This functionality comes into play during emergency responses or dispatches. Here's how it works. When an alert is received at the control room, the operator can swiftly identify the nearest available guard on the map. The selected guard is then assigned to the event. Upon receiving the assignment, the guard confirms their readiness by pressing go. Once on site, they can capture and attach multimedia evidence, offering additional insights into the emergency scenario. This information aids the operator in comprehensively processing the alarm event. This dynamic tool ensures a quick and effective response to incidents, fostering a seamless coordination between the control room and the guards in the field. At the bottom of the screen, you'll find the See Routes button. Here, guards can effortlessly access their designated checkpoints, complete with names, order, times, and any relevant observations previously loaded. Now, let's navigate to the hamburger menu situated at the top right corner. This is where the user can access My Alerts, a collection of customizable buttons for incident reporting. Security companies have the flexibility to change the icons and names of these buttons to represent different types of reports, offering a tailored experience. The possibilities are in your hands. Moving on, There's My Messages, where guards can review all push notifications sent by the control room. Additionally, there's a one-touch phone call feature allowing guards to quickly connect with a predefined number, such as the monitoring center or supervisor. Within the settings menu, users have the ability to personalize their experience. This includes adjusting language preferences, verifying connection parameters, configuring countdowns for alarm events, determining whether the app should be concealed after pressing the SOS alert, and enabling or disabling alerts via SMS when the Wi-Fi and cellular data network are not available. For those in supervisor mode, functionalities extend to creating, viewing, deleting checkpoints, and sending them to the control room for activation. Creating checkpoints and rounds from the app instead of the VigiControl module enables supervisors to verify how much time it may take the guards to go from one point to another much more accurately. Guards can personalize an unlock pattern for the Alive signal and select ringtones for both the Alive signal and the start of a route. At the end of the shift, the current guard can efficiently log out using the Finish Shift button, ensuring a smooth transition for the next user of the device. Now that you've had a glimpse of the VigiControl app interface, let's delve into the VigiControl module.